from the Mississippi River is forcing a mandatory evacuation for the Eagle Lake community in Warren County. People who live there are urged to leave.
WJTV 12's Gerald Harris has more from downtown Vicksburg with what this means.
This is the resolution passed by the Warren County Board of Supervisors ordering the immediate evacuation of those living in the Eagle Lake community. In less than 15 minutes, the Board of Supervisors agreed to follow the recommendations of the Emergency Management Agency and order a mandatory evacuation of the Eagle Lake community.
This is a decision that you must make, but you got to make it on the basic that you need to be protected.
While county officials won't make the people in the Eagle Lake community leave, they're warning people emergency services may be limited due to potential flooding.
May not have any houses that have water in them, but that doesn't mean that somebody may not have a medical issue or they need an ambulance. During those situations, it's going to be extremely difficult if those roads go underwater to get certain ambulances, certain fire trucks, other vehicles to that person. Now, obviously we have plans and we have equipment.
Warren County Sheriff's Department is on a 24-hour watch over the Eagle Lake community to prevent any attempts of looting and protect the property of the homeowners.
Well, our law enforcement mission remains the same, and that's to protect life and property. The Sheriff's Office will not leave. We will be there. I think the greater concern is for medical response, to get an ambulance, or in the event of a fire, to get additional firefighting apparatus.
Emergency management says the flooding in the area of Eagle Lake is unprecedented. Right now, the Mississippi River is at a flood stage of 51. The typical river level should be around 42. And the supervisors say if you choose to stay in the area, please give your contact information to a local sheriff's deputy in case of the worst. Reporting in Warren County, Gerald Harris, WJTV 12.